Are you looking for a way to download any file faster without waiting too long? If yes, then this video is perfect for you. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to download any file faster and easier. If you're interested, just keep on watching. First step, press the Microsoft icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and then look for the options Settings. Once you press Settings, this will appear and just press the Network and Internet icon or button, which is right beside Phone and Personalization. So once you press Network and Internet, it will lead you to this page and just press Change Adapter Options. Once this appears, right-click Ethernet and then this prompt will appear where you have to press Properties. This will then appear. Then just look for Internet Protocol version 4, double-click it, and then this will appear. Now, instead of obtain DNS server address automatically, click Use the following DNS server addresses, and then on the preferred DNS server, write 1.1.1.1, and then press OK. Just like that, your files, videos, and pictures will be downloaded at a faster speed. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.